Alright, so this is my 91 Skyline. Passenger side headlight and I think the high beam as well don't work. I've replaced the bulbs, didn't fix the issue. So after some searching online, it seems to be a pretty common problem that the headlight control on the hand goes bad. So I'm going to show you how I replace that. So if you see on the garage, only one headlight is on. Now, if I take this and I really nudge it forward, like if I like manually like wiggle it a little further, you can see the other headlight will go on. But I don't want to be holding that the whole time, and I like duct taped it when I need to. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this. I got a unit on eBay. It was about 180 bucks, brand new. So here's how we're gonna start. There's a couple screws you have to remove right here. There's two inside the cluster itself, there and there. There's one under this cap. You have to pop it off with a flathead. Everything is a Phillips screw. There's two more down here, two more on the other side, one further back, and of course another one right here. After you remove those, I've removed all of them except for this one, so I'm gonna get to that now. There should be two more screws on this harder plastic piece, so I'll get back to you after I get this. All right, after struggling for a hot second, there's actually two more screws right there, right where the hood latch is. 1 and 2. Let's pull those off. This will drop down. All right, I'm currently just struggling with this clip right here. I'm sure you can see that right there. That's a clip that's holding this whole dash in, so I gotta figure out how to get this out of there. All right, that's the clip I was talking about. That's giving me a lot of problems. I just stuck a screwdriver in there and kind of like popped it up. Cool. So this kind of like drops down. Don't really have to get rid of it, so I'm not going to unplug any of it. And this is kind of just held on by the steering wheel being here, so I can kind of like pick this up and pull it over. It's pretty much all we need to access this, which is what we're replacing. Smart tip, if you're ever replacing a part and you have an easy way to just test it quick, I just plugged the new part in, threw the lights on, and they both work. So definitely confirm this is the problem. All right, so I didn't want to struggle out in the cold anymore, so I just, a couple harnesses that I just pulled off, really easy. Thing just came out. So it's that, here, I'll point this screw right here. There's a screw in here that you have to get, and there's one more here. My car might have been worked on previously because this screw had like a bunch of gunk on it. But it seems sturdy enough for me, so that's the new unit in. I'm gonna go throw this back in the car. All right, I've got the rest of the connectors on. It's gonna sag a little bit until you put these screws in, so I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble everything. All right, after buttoning up all the screws, remember there's one on the other side, the same spot under there, two in the dash, two more here, two more here, one down here, two more by the latch, and the one on the side. Everything is together, everything's solid. Headlight switch works. Both headlights are on. Easy fix. Just took about an hour for me. Probably because I just figured things out while I was doing it. Hope this helps. If this isn't the problem, if you replace this, honestly, it might be part of the wiring. Part of your harness might be up. You might have a short somewhere. But I just knew mine was this because I could wiggle my old one forward a little bit extra and it would work. But this one works fine, so we're all good. So thanks for watching.